Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to cancel rehearsal packaging in Pandabuy. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now when we are here in our Pandabuy, do make sure that we are logged into our account. And then we should be able to see our options right here where we can go ahead and find the order section. So within the order section, this of course assumes that you have an order which is already in place right here. So as you can see in my section, I do not have this, but I will still go through the details with you. So when you go ahead into the order section right here, you should be able to see your order status. And then all you need to do is to just go right on ahead and select one of the orders that you have. And within this section right here, you should be able to see order details. So just go right on ahead and click on order details. And then within your order inquiry, which will be somewhere here on the very right side of it, you should be able to see contact. So within contact, this is where you can go ahead and message online support to one of the agents themselves. And then all you need to do is to just go right on ahead and send a message saying something like, you've made a mistake, or, you want to cancel the order itself. So this is the way for you to go ahead and cancel your rehearsal packaging by contacting online support. And then you will have to wait within 24 hours for them to reply and then cancel your order. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.